You don't need to go to a restaurant to have fresh ravioli. Here's how you can make it from the comfort of your home. Combine flour, salt, sugar, and eggs in a bowl, then use your hands to mix. Keep adding in flour gradually until the dough is springy, then wrap in lightly floured plastic wrap and let rest for at least 30 minutes. While that rests, you can prepare your filling. Mix together butternut squash, ricotta, Parmesan cheese, and a little brown sugar. Then set aside while you roll out your pasta. Generously flour a working surface, then divide your dough up into 4 roughly even portions. Roll each portion into a rectangle as thinly as you can, then use 2 spoons to drop mounds of filling about an inch apart from each other. Now gently lay another sheet of pasta on top and use your hands to press out all the air and seal in the filling. Use a pasta cutter to trim the edges and to form the ravioli. You could use a knife for this, but just make sure you pinch the edges before cooking. Add the ravioli to a pot of salted boiling water and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until they start to float to the surface. Now for the sauce, melt some butter in a pan and add garlic, thyme, sage, and black pepper, then grate in some fresh nutmeg. Once that's cooked a little, add in more butter, then toss in your cooked ravioli and let the sauce coat them. To plate, drizzle with extra sauce and top with Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.